gin bilog shot glass. And so ilalagay natin siya dito sa stirrer, guys, para yung ano niya ay tandaan lang natin ang paglagay. Yan, para yung asim, yan, ay mapupunta pa rin siya dyan sa ano, sa paso. Yan. Alright. Hello guys, share ko lang sa inyo, pag may ubo kang matigas na halos hirap ka ng huminga. Okay guys, let's do this. I wanna show you what I did when I was having a hard cough. So, nung nagkaroon ako ng matigas na ubo, hinahirap akong huminga. So, ito, panoorin nyo to. Share ko lang sa inyo, text ko lang sa inyo kung anong ginawa ko. So, hindi ko to i-recommend sa inyo. Babala po, hindi po ito gamot, hindi po ito medicine. Babala po ito para sa lahat na hindi po ako nagano. This is not a medicine. So just want to show you what I did. So it's up to you guys. So depende sa inyo kung gagawin nyo sa sarili nyo. Alright? Disclaimer lang po, babala, hindi po ito gamot. Right? Let's do this! Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, MV Maski BTV once again guys. So ito, this is our ingredients. You know? This is what we gonna do. Bottle of gin, we have the jigger, we have a glass, we have this sugar and salt, of course, our calamansi juice. So 4 pieces of calamansi. Alright, so let's do the procedure now. So this is only a share of ideas, so it's not recommending to you to do it. It's up to you guys, but for me, I like it because it relieved my hard cough. Yeah, so my hard cough is already over. It's already gone. So nawala yung ubo ko guys, na yung masikip dahil sa ginawa kong ito. So ito, gagawin na natin. Tara na, let's do this. Alright guys, so let's prepare now. So at least we have this strainer for calamansi. So slice it, then squeeze it, right, two, right. So ikain natin yung calamansi guys. Right, let's put this gin bilog shot glass. And so ilalagay natin siya dito sa paso. Yan. Alright. So we already put the shot glass of the gin. Yeah. So we call that here gin bilog. Gin bilog. And then 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then it's only 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir until it will melt, will mix together all the ingredients, right? So hanggang sa magkaroon tayo ng magandang kulay na orange juice, right? So yeah, tandaan nyo guys, hindi po ito gamot. ito po ay i-share ko lang yung ideas. Ang idea na aking naisipan lamang. Dahil matagal na yung ubo ko na hindi nawawala. Nakailang gamot na akong ininom. Soul milk, mga kanong gamot-gamot. Tapos stain o hindi siya nawawala, nagpahilot na, wala. So, inisip ko, baka mawala ito sa imbento ko. Okay, so, let's mix it at least 1 minute. Alright. So, ito na yung resulta niya, guys. So, juice na ang kanyang resulta. Yeah? So, ito ay hindi mo siya iinumin ng diretso. So, you don't have to drink it right away as completely. All the juice, because this one is considered like a juice, you know? So either you can use the spoon to drink, or you can use this glass to drink. So pwede nyo kutsarahin, pwede nyo siyang kutsarahin lang, dahan-dahan nyo lang iinumin, ganoon. Tapos pag naubos, hanggang sa maubos mo siya. But making sure na you have to finish this during that time. Yeah? So, ubusin mo siya, pero hindi siya right away na ubusin mo. Dahan-dahanin mo siya hanggang maubos. Right? So, ito na yun, guys. Inumin na natin itong ating ginawa ngayon dahil patuloy kong ginagawa ito hanggang sa mga ilang shot para fully furnished talaga yung ating hindi na siya babalik natin. Hard cup right? Alright guys, so it's just an idea, sharing of ideas only. So it's not recommending to you, as this is not a medicine. So this is just only what I did by myself. So, ito yung wala siyang, ito lang ay i-share ko lang sa inyo na gumanda yung paghinga doon sa hard cough, yung masikip na pag-uubo, matigas na ubo. So, naisip ko lang kasi dahil mayroon siyang kalamansi, tsaka mayroon siyang alcohol na content, tsaka haluan natin siyang sugar, at tsaka salt. So yung salt ay siya yung nag-kill sa yung alat kasi. So the salt will kill the amount of viruses. So yung virus na at sinuhold niya. Di ba pag tayo ng mag-gurgle tayo ng asin. So ito na yung idea nga nag-come up sa aking isipan, guys. So this idea. So either way, you can drink by slowly with a spoon. Sarap. Nice. So tandaan, nakakalasing ito. Nakakalasing. Yeah? You will be drunk a little bit, you know. But that's why you only have a certain amount of shot glass, and that's it. So 1 shot glass per day. So not to finish the whole bottle for that time. Yeah? It's not good. So this is the, so you can see, guys. So juice na siyang titingnan. So pag ang gagamitin mo ay especially honey, lalo siyang masarap. Yeah? Much better if you mix with honey. So it's like honey lemon. You can do it also with lemon, guys. So this is what we call here in Philippines calamansi. Calamansi is Citrus microcarpa. So it's a particular called tolerant citrus variety. Yeah. So also called kalamon din in Europe. So in Philippines guys is the Philippine lime. So kalamansi lang talaga siya. So parang pinangalanan lang siya ng calamansi lime. So lime juice. So ito na yung resulta. So this mixed with the calamansi juice, Philippine lime. Yeah. So more on citric acid siya. So it's good for the gout, good for the uric acid. So, alright guys, so let's continue. So let's cheers guys. So ito lang yung kanina. This was the, or if you want, you can transfer it back to the shot glass. Then you have just to drink it slowly until it will finish. So if you can, you can also do it with the lemon, guys. If you don't have this calamansi, mostly only in Philippines, but in the other countries, lemon juice. All right. So once again, this is sharing of ideas. So it might be help. It might be help with you guys, or it might be help to you guys. Right. So cheers. You will feel it, the hot mix coming from your mouth, going down to your throat, to your chest, until to your stomach, guys. So do not drink over that shot glass, yeah. So this total shot glass. After that, just continue. Just continue after that, and then you can drink water if you want. Yeah, if you cannot, so I'm not advising you to drink water. So hindi ako i-advise sa inyo na inom kayo ng tubig. In order the ingredients, the sweetness of the juice and the gin is completely passing through to your throat, going to your chest and stomach, guys. It's very nice. It's a very good test. Good. So, ayun mga kamasi, pag nasubukan nyo to, mag-comment lang kayo kung ano nararamdaman nyo. Nararamdaman mo yung medyo nalalasing ka ng konti. Normal yun. Yeah? So, medyo nalalasing ka ng konti, normal yun. Pero don't go over that one shot glass. Huwag kayong lumagpas doon sa isang shot na yan. Kasi baka malasing na kayo. So, hindi na yun ang target yung mawawala. Kasi ito, advisable lang ito pag ikay may ubo. If you have a dry cup guys. So, yun ang, ito yung na-discovery ko. So, siguro ako pa lang yung gumawa nito sa buong mundo na idea na gamit ang gin. Mostly, ay gamit lang ang gin sa pag-iinom mo normally. Pero halo ng salt, mixed with sugar and salt, that's a different way, different ideas, guys. That's only me. Right? So let's continue until we finish. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Bimas TV. God bless everyone. Ciao.